Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can blur the background of your video using the InShot app. So the InShot app is available on Apple Store and Play Store. So all you need to do is to go there and download it. So I've downloaded mine. When you open it, you go to video. This is video here. Then click on it. When you click on it, tap on the video that you want to blur the background. So I shot this video at the office. This InShot right here, you're seeing this watermark here. It can be removed. I'm going to show you how to remove it in a bit, but let me show you how to blur the background. So on this menu bar, when you tap on the video, go to effect here, then click on AI effect. Then you're going to move and go to the last option here, which is blur. Then click on the first option here, this one. Click on it, and then it's going to blur out the background. Now the value is too thick, so you want to reduce it to make it as natural as possible. So this value is pretty much okay, but you can choose to extend it as much as you want. Try as much as possible not to make it to like it just look unrealistic. To make it realistic, just keep it here. Then you click on this check mark here, and that is it. So it's going to appear here, and what this means is that it's not on all of the videos. So if you see right here, the background of my video is blurred, but if I move here, this part is not blurred. To make all of them even out, I'm going to use this arrow at the end right here. I'm going to drag it. I'm going to drag it to the end of the video, so that way everything is uniform. Now this is an AI blur, so that means even if I'm moving my head, it's just going to be blurred all throughout. Now if you are not okay with the value of the blur and you want more depth of field, you can now go to edit. Go to edit here, click on it, and then you can choose to increase it or reduce the value to the one how you want it. So after doing that, you just click on this check mark here, check that, and then you're good to go. Now I told you I was going to tell you how to remove this watermark. I see a lot of people using watermark on their InShot is actually a free app, and you can remove the watermark. So all you need to do is just to watch a couple of ads. So I'm just going to click on that X at the top of the watermark, and then it's going to bring out this pop-up so saying I should pay for InShot. That's InShot Pro, where I can have all access to everything, no logos, no ads, nothing. But I didn't pay for it, so I'm just going to click on free remove. So you can always do this to remove the watermarks of your video. So you'll be expected to watch a couple of ads for 30 seconds. So you see here it's counting down. So after watching the ads, you'll be able to remove the watermark. So you can see there's no longer the watermark is gone. So that's how to remove the watermark from each video. So if you don't pay for the app, you have to be doing this all the time. But me, I don't mind watching 30 seconds video, just to get what I want, as long as I'll still get results. So when you're done, you go here, this icon here, and then you save your video. You can either save it in any resolution that you want and any format, any frame rate, and then that's all it's going to be in your phone. So you can also do the same thing with your photo. I'm going to be using this image. It was shot on my iPhone using the portrait camera, but I feel like the background is not blurred enough. So a quick tip: before you blur the background of your picture, make sure that your picture is how do I put it, like don't use full picture. It may not really do the trick. All right, so just go to effect here, go to AI effect, then click on the blur. There are lots of options here actually, but the first one is the natural one, this one here. That's this one called Gauss. So I'm going to reduce the value, and then you see if you increase it, reduce it, increase it, reduce it to what you want. When you click on this check mark here, it automatically like saves, and then you can go right here and save your photo. So the photo does not come with a watermark, so you can just save it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it to somebody, and also leave a comment. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.